guys, so this is what's happening. We got a 2013 Challenger RT with the 2015 conversion front bumper. But the only thing is with this bumper is that he kept the whole headlight assembly, the grille, and all that from the 2013. So that's what he did with that. They kind of custom made this mesh grille for the bottom end. Shout out to Chris and Jordan. What up, though?
What up, though?
Hey, bless you, bless you. Woo. But yeah, so the guy wanted us to install the 2015 RT slash Scat Pack lower chin splitter, since this is a 2015 front bumper. So we ordered that directly from Mopar. Then also we're going to be installing the 2015 and above fog lights as well that we got. They're somewhere over there in the box. Yeah, also you guys remember this car from the channel. We're working on still the 2015 Genesis. It's almost done. We've got a couple more carbon fiber parts that came in. And yeah, this is the majority of the interior pieces that are gonna be installed. So the Genesis, it's looking awesome, man. Yeah, so Juan had came by, I'll tell you guys the story. So Juan had came by, took a look at his trunk, and dude was astonished on how we did this. Yeah, dude was overly excited, is thrilled, and can't wait to get the car back. But there is still more parts to get done on this car. But as of now, we're just gonna start off by installing this front lip onto this 2013 Challenger RT. And yeah, stay tuned. I'll be showing you guys where exactly we're gonna be mounting the area. There's a couple clips on the front bottom. The bumper nick's a little beat up, but I'm sure we can still kind of retrofit this back to go into there and see what the turnout's gonna be. So stay tuned for the next lights. So I'll show you guys exactly where these mounts are gonna be. So of course you got the ones that go on the side, on this area right here. And also you're gonna have all the ones that go underneath on these little gaps. I don't know if I can see the gaps, but you got a couple like right here, and right here. So a lot of those are gonna go into the ones, I'll show you guys a little bit, but they're gonna go into this area right here, this area right here, and there's a couple of them that go along. So you got one right there, right there, right there. All those underneath there have to fit underneath these gap areas. And since this guy doesn't have the flooring, how did I say it? That plastic sheet that goes underneath here, so we don't have to worry about these parts. But the only thing we do have to worry is just make sure that all of them are in, and I have a plastic clips as well. Then I'll show you those that we're gonna put into the bottom that will keep the kit from moving outwards. So that's gonna hold it up there on the side of it being mounted up to these areas, which would be a perfect fit. All right, so now we're back. We fully wired the fog lights. They're in place. Chris is finishing up putting in, cutting the zip ties to the fog light harness on the bottom. As you guys see, they're all in there. Like I told you guys, this is a 2015 bumper fitting on a 2013 Challenger RT. So it's a good little conversion. Next thing we're gonna do afterwards is gonna install the lip, and I showed you in the previous areas where they're gonna be installing at. So yeah, the wire harness is pretty simple. We connected everything, the powers to the fuse box here, ran the power and the switch, the on and off switch through the bottom of here of the wiper dash, and then put it through the grommet in the bottom where the brake pedal is at. So there's actual rubber grommet. You can fit any power lines and all that stuff through there. And so we connected all that there. And then of course the harness goes on the bottom, and Chris just turned on the fog lights. Let's see that. Oh, one more time. Okay, there we go. Perfect. Yeah. So yeah, so the fog lights are in. Next thing we're gonna be doing now is just put together that front lip, and that should be a wrap for this 2013 RT. All right guys, so we finished putting in the front splitter. from Dodge, basically the lower lip of the bumper, and we re-put in basically those plastic clips that it didn't come with. Luckily, we have some here, keep it in stock, and so we've secured it with 3 of the main 10mm bolts that go onto here, and then also on the inside of here, so that way this doesn't slide out. We also put them inside there. So there's about 7 of these, 7 main of them that go in. So I'm putting in 3 on each side because one of them was broken, but it's all done. There we go. Got a 2015 and above front lower splitter with the fog lights as well on a 2013 Dodge Challenger. I know I kind of didn't go too far into detail on exactly how everything is done, but you guys get the picture on exactly how we did it. I mean, everything, when you disassemble it, you'll know exactly what clips are where, and when you reassemble it, you know exactly what to go back in there. But since this was something a little different from a 2013 conversion to a 2015 front end, that was the only thing when we had to order the parts for this car. So, but yeah, everything's on there. Fog lights, lower lip. Shout out to Yeti, aka Mr. Chris.
What up, yo?
There we go. Yeti's chilling there, freshly washed. Hasn't been washed in about, what, couple days?
Shit, a couple weeks.
Collecting dust, ass. Yes, ass and ash. Smokey's still here in California.
Shout out to our cousins who are firefighters.
That's right, man. Shout out to those firefighting out there, fighting the fires, keeping people safe. But yeah, the RT is complete. And this is a standard. Check that out. Standard. It's less common and loud on the newer models, on the Gen 3s and Gen 4s. A lot of them ain't coming standard. You gotta ask or order for it to be standard. But yeah, we'll catch you guys in the next video. I will be uploading this video on the Raptor RT page, and I'll put the link of the descriptions of Yeti as well. This guy doesn't have an Instagram, but he just likes to mod his vehicle. And another thing that he told me was these wheels are from a 2019 Challenger RT. There are the black noise wheels with 245. There are the 20x9s all the way around 245. And yeah, they look nice on a 2013. But once again, check it out.